Hello, MNGP Sumakam who are African Professor One platform. So money African Professor One Nekasan, no more Nekasan, my chief linguist, my chairman, and Okasan, Tino. We African Professor One on one platform, my basu. But modern subscribe share. The anytime be a may upload, Nessa hit notification bell. The anytime be a may upload new video. No, you probably will be among the first to get that video in Tihano. And the credit question you can you need kasa in a very civil way. What can say in answer someone you can so did you be at him? And you know, Sanaha at here. And the question you can is unscripted freestyle to me. We are no way. Until one more time, we African Professor One, Nekasa, Masamba African Professor One platform. So the Nekoma Minimudino is about chieftaincy issue. Yeah, and some Jamasi, Aguna Jamasi, free Jamasi is between Aguna and Mampont. You free Jamasi for Aguna. Now, but ufi Kumasi, but Udru Aguna, no do Jamasi, ufi Jamasi, just and no do Mampont, a Kumo, Sam Maran, Mantinus, if you are now called Sana or Mampont. And Jamasi Yakrubia is a very, very important, enclave, and I say town. Say in the sense, say, Utie Asante because some say Asante ni biya dihina. Or no Jamasi hino, it play a very important role. Say in terms of the say, yeah, the Asante hine Asiakun, Asikajaso first hammer. And say Jamasi hine, it play very, very instrumental. And I say Jamasi hine, a kahumbi. Near the Asante hine, Sikajaso the first time. Sa abakosam na meti say, Omo Buadia. But I know say it's true. And in that sense, Jamasi is very, very important as far as say Ashanti traditional and as a chieftaincy setup and as a structure, is concerned. But since Jamasi hinwuye, Nana do Jemfi Brobe, Yamenana no wuye, bear 27 to 28 years ago somewhere, wuye, 27 as the same year, in fear do you know so I said you know what you know. You see Jamasi Hine up to this point. Think about it. Jamasi Hine will bear 28 and that's 27 years in it. You see what Hine. And Penophobia and also be an Elbecasabiano. So, Ohimano, the Jamasi Hima, and then the Ama and the Maniama, Akoso and Tintimi, or Hine wood at that yen see him. The Jamasi Himanos is we, 2000, I'm sorry, I said 2018, September 2018. Your friend Nana Akuya Boatima Mankwa. Nana Akuya Boatima Mankwa, or yet Jamasi Himawu, September 2018 up to this time. We and still you see Jamasi Himo, but what Yasino, you see Jamasi Himano, a Kahubi, and Nama Kruno, Jamasi, Etianity, Omua, I assume you're eligible for, yes, what Himan, the Kutemon 90, and Maso. Now, me question is, say, or Himana 2000, I keep on saying 2000, 2018, or Himana 2018, and I quit about Timama and Kwa September 2018. Think about it, how many years? And you will call. And to say, 27 years, 28 years, we acquire Yensi Jamasi. Who are we going to blame? A fans who been say, oh, Mampohene, a kahun, Nana Mampohene, a kahun bini. Okay, my video best 7 months ago, as 6 months ago, I may appeal to Mampohene, say, a quan bias, the city bia, Jamasi, ehine, and I say Jamasi Kunyasam, a very, very important. I'm saying, I'm for kingmakers in terms of the role Jamasi in play, in terms of say the Otumfuana Santini Bia, New Santini Bia, Betransika Joshua, Pata Jamasi in play. And the Argentina at this point, 27 years, so 28 years, Namampo Jamasi in Yensi. And to me, open video, I may they come Otumfuana Santini. May they command the chess. The title Otumfuana. So what the name Otumfuana? What does it tell you? That means somebody who has power will be a wood to me. And you would to me in the sense that Ashanti Kingdom. I could be a Ashanti Nasi. Some point here, Emma Jamasi, I could see you, send no Himano or wouldn't Emma see you. Otumfuana the Nessie Wasan. It is the question person Busan and now Otumfuana say, why up to this point? What is he doing about Mampohene, Jamasi Akunyano? Why I didn't think 27 years in Nana? Who you tuned for? That's your title. It's true. And I recognize that. Now, Miss Me Santini pure. Now, Mina me mo be me did watam. Yes, it any tianka, in Casabon to me fanco. Yena nano, Sadibi yo koso away a Santimema na say, Kingdom Numa, you're right, says it to me busa. And that's how I'm asking. That's all. And you need him. And I'm busa said, Nana, Adentina, Utumfo, Adentina, 27 to 28 years. Eti panti nama Jamasi Akunyano dawa yensi ukubusa obisima Jamasi hinaye nana kuamwa nana Boatima amankwa wu yesusu no 2018 enti woko by 6 years or 7 years as saying enti still ono ne sama na ema yensi Akunyano na even say let's even assume cross ebinum sisi Mampohene sabi otumfo wosoro echema body obeka no fana wo tumi enti adentina Akunyano Jamasi Akunyano up to this point edenti na 27 to 28 years ni na nadu jamfi brobe wuda dada wo kokan yesi o se o matu nkofo bi yehwehwem ebe banana mede minim se otufo na Asante minim se nkunwasem biye wa Asante region na se Asante kingdom biya no ehye who to me, she said, look at what happened in offensive. Or him and ye and I say, what the cake is upon coin. Who be on kaya, Nana be a code dainty, and look how I am my no. Officer, you know your mind, not Jamasi. It's made a minimum say, Bibia and Comra, Ejina woo, Nana Asante Niso. And he said, blame on Nasi Bibia, Nana, woo, and a sabi. Ye the best you also, and I say, a big good nas and Tinana. The impression me bisa and say, and I said, the impression catch around and say, what that Roma up to this point, 27 years or 28 years, you know, it's too long. Be bien wa say, say so, say, Crumo, Jamasi Mano, and I say, King makers no my own, you say, pay, and Anna, say, all right, with me, so, ultimatum say, okay, make your money up to this point. Samanfo bi ama me a me twisu bi a me pede naba anase me a me de obi baba besi ho obi andi me ka hwe enti nana de me kan ne tintin ne titi mu an se sa video a me ye me se matudi me se open video message to Nana Asante Hene about Jamasi chieftaincy issue enti nana de me kan ne se me de me tia de me titi nyina so bi ase o ayi ohima and Ohima, that mean the late Nana Akuya, your friend say, Boatima Amankwa, Onunama Akunyano, aye attitude to Sini Adi, and Ohima is September 2018. And it is so be anti blaming said, Ohima, nay, Ohima and cop, Statia and Juma time, way by ACM way by ACM pet. Ebisu I say, Nanaman Pohin, Nanaman Pohin, nay, Nesse, Nana took for some press and I said, Wolfie said, your name is Konya. Why don't you step in and say, hey, Fana, me no 2-4, which is true. The other kind of Fana, and I agree. I know, say you have that power, you have that to me. And think if you 2-4, and Nana, me message I'm the Mawa and say, so me name contact number, me name direct a year, meet me yanti. The only way I meet me and your attention and say, make this open video message to you. Say, use your good offices. Use you to me your power as Utumfo. Ne Jamasi Akunyano. Once and for all, settle. So, Omo Guano, Omo Jamasi, one Kingmakers, Omo Omo Prima, way, on a way, pray, way, story, and I say, way, Asamo Baba, a year of Baba Cano, and Tabani at Nana. Way, dear, and Kay. She see pa me see Jamasi Akunyano dawa. It's too much. 27 years, 28 years. It's too much. Eti nana wadawo maneni kire ya say no hima no say Nana Mampohene say uni otumfo de obeka no fana. Enti so mo time Jamasi company for mo time abusuan panifo asa ho for ne so mo pe obi a na ne wa kan chom say di say na meye me de me penny de me ye ni that's it. Eti koma pese mnimu di anase message am pese mdima timisemu wa ba tibi amofa koma Nana Utumfo Asante Hene mam eba Jamasi chieftaincy issue because we dey I check too much and the blame na too much It's a person one more time. We African professor. Subscribe, share with friends and family, and I'll talk to you another time. Have a great day. Bye.